How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Dallas, USA. Welcome, I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors living in Dallas, USA or Denver. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrencies, altcoins. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. If you want, you can use the 20% commission kickback link and codes in description section in this video. Now, there is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. This website have all informations about cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, debit card, where to buy Bitcoin in the USA. All informations in this website. Articles about all cryptocurrencies. Now, this is important point. We want to buy Bitcoin with easy way. We can click list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, you can get information about all important cryptocurrencies. So easy. Yes. We want to buy Bitcoin in Dallas or Denver. We need information about Bitcoin. We can click this button. Yes. All informations here about Bitcoin. Now, we want to buy Bitcoin with easy way. Just click this area, this button.